Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making a shrimp pot pie. Now, most of you don't know, but Stu's grandfather owned a fleet of boats in Louisiana, and this recipe stems from his experience on the boats. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. We also have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please join, it's exciting. And we have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye. The link to the Amazon book will be in the description below. We have a surprise giveaway. If you'd love to win an electronic version of this book, please comment in this video below. Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. Shrimp is the fruit of the sea, and we will be happy to email you an electronic version of Outdoor Cooking with Edye. Please remember to smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am so eager to make this shrimp pot pie. Let's get cooking.